everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute love couple inside the heart, and this is the fridge magnet in the heart shape. So I will show you how to make the background, how to create these super happy and super cute paper quilling couple, and you can just stick it on your fridge or any metal almirah. Isn't it a cute idea? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking red color paper which is 4 by 10 centimeters. This is 80 GSM paper, and from one corner I'll start making one pipe. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more pipes already. Now taking one mound board which is 9 by 10 centimeters, and I have already created one heart on this using the template, and I'm just going to cut this piece. In place of mound board, you can also use cardboard or any thick sheet. So this is done. Now I'll start adhering all these red color pipes on top of the heart. So I'm starting with the center point, and then I'll add these pipes one by one and cover the complete heart. So the heart is completely covered. Now I am going to cut the excess pipes from back side. And the beautiful heart-shaped base is ready, looking very vibrant, having nice texture. Now, just to cover it from sides, here I am taking this pom-pom lace. This is the white pom-pom lace which is ready-made, and I am going to stick it using strong adhesive. You can also use glue gun. It will give nice border to the heart shape. If you don't have this kind of shape, you can also use string of pearls or half cut pearls. And this is done. Very pretty. Now it's time to make our cute girl and boy. So I'm starting with the basket first. So for this I am taking 3 by 2 centimeters beige color cardstock and just cutting from both the corners like this. Then taking brown color strip, dividing it in small pieces and sticking it vertically on this basket from top. Folding it in the front side. Then taking off-white color strip, again dividing it in small pieces, and I'm sticking it horizontally like this. Now we just need to weave this just like the weaving method. I'm just completing it till the end. Just securing all the ends, and our super cute weaved basket is ready. Then taking little brown color and doing little shading on the basket to give nice distressed look from the edge. Then taking back my heart shape and sticking the basket exactly in the bottom center. Then I am starting with the boy's face. For this I am taking 3 strips of peach color in 3mm and making one tight coil dome. Then here I have drawn one shirt shape on white cardstock and colored the neck portion using peach color, and also taking black color sheet to create the bottom part. Here actually I am making the waist area. And sticking it like this. Then making the shirt pattern and collar using black pen. Then in the bottom I have added 2 small strips for the pant using black cardstock. Then I am making the coat. Just take one small piece of black cardstock, fold it from center, and from front fold it like this to give the collar shape. So this is the coat. I have already attached from one side. Now I am adding the another side of the coat, and this is completely ready. So cute. Then taking back the heart shape, and I'm sticking this on the left side inside the basket, also attaching the face. Like this. Then adding 2 small black color strips for the hand. Then to make hairs, I am taking small black color 80 GSM paper and just cutting it in zigzag manner. I have just folded it from top little bit and then start cutting from the bottom and making the zigzag fringes. Also chopping the another part little bit so that we can stick it in the curve shape easily. And it will work like a hairs. So I'm just sticking it like this. Trim it out if required. Then to start with the girl's dress, here I'm taking small curve piece of pink cardstock, just rolling it from one corner and making the flat cone shape. Like this, chopping it from the top and just checking whether it is going nicely inside the basket or not. So I'm just making it little more thin, and yes, now it's fitting perfectly. So I'm sticking the dress inside the basket, then putting one face just like we have created the face for boy. I have prepared for the girl using 3 strips. Then adding 2 small pieces of pink paper for the hands. And now to make the palm, here I am taking half strip of peach color in 2 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Now I am just attaching the palm with the hands. Similarly, I have attached palm with the boy's hands already. So this is also done. Now it's time to make the hairs for girl. So I have already done some fringes attaching in the front on the forehead of the girl. Then to make ears, I am taking 1/4 strip of 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Just bend the teardrop little bit. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So I have already attached with the girls. Now I am attaching the ears with boy. Then to make the extra hairs for girls, here I am taking half strip of black color in 3 mm, making one bended leaf shape, attaching on the head. And to create the ponytail, I have attached 2 to 3 bended teardrop shapes together. So adding the ponytail like this. So cute. Now it's time to make huge and big sweet smile. So I am just coloring it with white acrylic color. Similarly doing for the boy. Then making eyebrows, they are just simply smiling, so we don't need to make eyes. Just create the curved lines like this and they will look super happy. Then I am starting with making the basket handle. For this I am taking one strip of maroon color in 3 mm and just rotating my tool like this to make the curled strip, and you will get nice curly strip. So according to the size I will just trim it out. And I am sticking the basket handle. Like this. Then to decorate the basket with some flowers, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm, making one teardrop shape. I am joining total 5 petals together and making the flower. Similarly, I have prepared some more using yellow and pink colors. Now to create leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves in light green and dark green. So it's time to attach the flowers in the corners. So I'm just adding little glue and decorating the basket with these handmade flowers. And this is done. Now I'm just sticking one piece of balloon with the hand of boy because this side is looking little empty. So I've just created the quilled heart. Now it's time to attach the magnet from back side. So adding little glue and sticking this strong magnet. And the super cute and very pretty Valentine's Day fridge magnet is ready. You can also use this as a anniversary gift. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.